Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So you might have visited IISc for either your interviews or for a general visit or maybe for the open day as well. But most of us, what we cover is the main campus only. But today in this video, I'll take you to the other side of the campus. So there is an underpass which connects the main campus to the other campus, and most of us, we only see the main campus. So right now I am at the material science department, and from there I'll take you to the campus which is not much seen by the general public. So let's get started. So this is the material science department, and this is the underpass that I'm talking about. So let us go and see it. So from here we need to go straight. So this is the other side of the campus that I was talking about. As you can see, IISc at night is any time better than what you can see in the daylight. तो जो रास्ता हमने कवर किया था वो पेडेस्ट्रियंस के लिए था, एंड अगर आप कोई मोटर व्हीकल के साथ आ रहे तो यू कैन कम थ्रू दिस रूट. So I asked one of our seniors here where this path goes to, and from here if you go around you reach the Malleshwar temple, and there is a gate there. So if you go past the gate and walk for a while, you get to the Majestic Gate, which is around 5 kilometers. So like I said, if you go, this is the gate, and as you can see here, this is one of the departments, and maybe there the temple is. So this is the mandir that I'm talking about, the Malleshwar Mandir. So if you come by this side, you can visit here. So that's all for this video. I hope you explored the part of the campus which is not much seen by the general public in YouTube videos and all. So I thought I should cover it, and it will be a good thing to document. So I hope you liked it, and maybe see you in the next one. Bye bye.